study English! Yay!
Spring is a time of new growth, of rejuvenation, things growing, things becoming beautiful, healthy, kind of lovely after a long cold winter. When we say to spring back, what does that mean? Does that mean we're going back to winter? No. To spring back basically means to recover from something, to get better after you've been sick, or to recover after an operation of some kind. An example would be, after the operation, hopefully Dad will spring back quickly and get back to walking every day soon. Hopefully he will become better soon, recover soon. Another example, don't worry if your body doesn't spring back to normal after having a baby. It might take a while. Okay, so to spring back means to recover or to get well after maybe something, an operation or a sickness. Thanks for studying with me today. Thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!
スーザンと一緒に Let's study English! Yay!